Why can ordinary salt under your bed change your state and cleanse your life of misfortune?
Salt is one of the strongest natural absorbers, and not only physically. In folk practices, it has long been considered the primary protector of the home. It pulls in heavy emotions, anxiety, stagnant energy, and everything that prevents a person from sleeping peacefully or moving forward. That's why the ritual of placing salt under the bed works so quickly. It activates cleansing at the moment when a person is most open, during sleep. To activate this protective ritual, place 2 spoonfuls of salt into a small container in the evening and slide it under your bed. It's important to speak the words that direct its action. Sorrow, go far away. Sadness, pass me by. Salt, open happiness for me and cover me with protection. So be it. This formula sets the intention to remove everything unnecessary: negative emotions, outside influences, unpleasant people, internal blocks, and accumulated misfortune. While you sleep, the salt collects heavy energy, freeing the space around you. In the morning, many people feel lighter, calmer, clearer, as if life has quietly unfolded. This ritual is repeated for several nights until your inner state becomes even and bright. It is a gentle way to clear the path and let renewal in.